What is up guys, Sunny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best coding AI tools in 2025. So let's get started. So the first one is Cursor AI. Now, what it is, an AI-powered code editor built on top of VS Code. It is best for developers who want real-time AI coding assistance, repo-wide AI chat, and smart code refactoring. And why it's great? Because it works with GPT-4, Claude, and even integrates your docs for context-aware help. Now, let's move to the next AI tool, which is Replit. Now, Replit is a full-stack browser-based IDE with built-in AI coding assistant. It is best for coding anywhere, building full-stack apps, and quick prototyping. And why it's great? It's great because it's great for learners, hobbyists, and solo developers who want to code without setup. Now, let's move to the next AI tool, which is GitHub Copilot. Now, GitHub Copilot is an AI code assistant inside VS Code, JetBrains, and GitHub. It is best for line-by-line suggestions, autocomplete, and document generation. Why it's great? Because it seamlessly integrates with your existing coding workflow. Now, let's move to the next AI tool, which is Lovable. Now, Lovable is an AI co-founder tool that helps you build full-stack web apps from an idea. It is best for founders and product creators who want to launch MVPs fast. Why it's great? Because you describe the idea and it builds the front-end, back-end logic and hosting. The next AI tool is V0 by Vercel. Now, V0 by Vercel is an AI UI builder that turns text prompts into Tailwind and React code. It is best for developers building sleek front-end who want high-quality, production-ready UI fast. Why it's great? Because it turns tight integration with the Vercel ecosystem and output is super clean. Now, let's move to the next AI tool, which is Bolt. Now, Bolt is an instant UI generator for modern web apps. It is best for builders who want to generate front-end layouts, dashboards, and pages visually or by prompt. Why it's great? Because it's fast, intuitive, and gives full code access for editing. Now, let's move to the last but not the least, Data Button AI tool. Now, Data Button is a low-code builder for AI-powered Python apps. It is best for data scientists and AI developers building chatbots, dashboards, and automation tools. Why it's great? Because it has built-in hosting, database, and LLM support, and no DevOps needed. So, these were the top coding AI tools in 2025. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.